Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, coming to you from Borla Commerce Park.
This is Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, where it is happy hour. All right, this is a blend of our favorite soft drinks, but it's always happy hour when our friends at AP Lazer come in. And Jeff Nelson is an automotive enthusiast who's had a lot of cool ideas for the AP Lazer. Now, first things first here. How did you arrive at the AP Lazer? Why did you decide that this was the laser for you?
Well, it's kind of a winding path. I have a nephew that does live edge furniture, and I was visiting him one time up in Traverse City, and he's marketing his furniture through consignment shops, and some of the stuff is beautiful but doesn't bring a lot of money. And I told him, Stefan, you know, if you were to personalize, I know you can do lasers, I don't know much about it, but if you could personalize it, make it commissionable, you'd make better money. So at that point, he said, well, I don't know anything about equipment, you're technical. And I said, I'll look into it for you. And so I started diving into it, and I got hooked.
What kind of things set AP Lazer apart from the other brands that are out there?
Well, the things that sold us on it was the open architecture and the support. We did a lot of looking at a lot of models and makes that are out there. In fact, I created a spreadsheet, and I assigned points to determine value. And when we got done, the two things that swayed it for AP was, again, the open architecture. By having the open architecture, we're not limited to the types of things that others would limit us to do.
For folks watching for the first time, explain what open architecture means.
Open architecture means that we can actually remove the Z-table and move large objects underneath it. We can do anything, tables, windows, large mirrors. We do large bar mirrors. Even caskets can be slid under there and etched.
Incredible. That's the most scientific approach I've ever heard to selecting any product. So the AP Lazer's obviously, you know, sold itself to you.
Oh, there's no question. Again, from my background and other things I've had experience with, including racing, you want to buy professional equipment if you want to be able to deliver professional results. Again, on that value system, AP Lazer was the clear winner. One
of the best things about AP Lazer is you can take something ordinary and make it into something extraordinary. Now, we mentioned you're an automotive guy. This decanter started out as just a decanter, but check that out. Tell me your story about Studebaker there.
Well, we're located in Southwest Michigan, which is right next to South Bend, and South Bend has a lot of automotive history that probably a lot of people aren't aware of, but Studebaker was based in South Bend. So I went ahead and contacted the Studebaker National Museum, and I asked permission to use their logo to do this project.
And where's it going to go from here? Are you going to work with them further?
Oh, yeah. I'm going to send it on to them, and a meeting with their online store people later this month to sell this. Obviously, car hobbyists love this type of thing, and they have a Studebaker Drivers Club, so we'll be able to sell it in their store.
And you got glasses over here. Before we get to the glasses, though, I want to mention the packaging here. You've done that yourself, and you did that with the AP Lazer.
Yeah, we do a lot of glass work, and we had problems shipping with breakage. And the other thing is I just hate the plastic noodles and the different things. It's not good for the environment. So we also go through a lot of cardboard that goes to recycle. So I said, hey, we can take and actually design our own packaging for glasses. Once we started doing this, we haven't had any breakage at all.
Aside from the cardboard, how much cutting do you do with the AP Lazer, and what can it cut?
Well, you can cut a lot of different products. Wood, of course. I like acrylic. It has a real nice finish to it, and the types of things you can do, shapes and so on. You can't cut metal, but most other materials you can.
Well, we talked about how you can take something that's ordinary and make it into something extraordinary. Check this out. This just came off the Lazer, and it looks amazing. The same kind of stone, and with the Studebaker logo there, that looks stunning. And you add the glasses to it, you got a great looking set, and I think we ought to utilize these right off the bat. We're going to see how this tastes, by the way. I don't know how this concoction is going to be, but you can check out AP Lazer at aplazer.com/TV. There's a special deal for viewers of Motorhead Garage. Here we go. Hey, not too bad. I will drink to that. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings right after this.